Hello, welcome to a new tutorial video. My name is Marilesi de Leon, and in this opportunity, you will learn how to use adverbs of frequency. Let's start. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that can do many things in a sentence. An adverb can describe adjective, verbs, other adverbs, or an entire sentence. Adverbs answers these questions. How, when, where, to what extent, and why. On the other hand, adverbs of frequency are words used to say how often or how frequently we do something or an action takes place. Common adverbs of frequency. Some adverbs of frequency that are common in the English language are the following: always, almost always, usually, often and frequently, sometimes, occasionally, not very often, seldom, almost never, and never. To help better understand the frequency of each adverb, it's useful to place them on a percentage line. For example, always would be 100%. Almost always would be 95%. Usually, often, and frequently means about 80%. Sometimes and occasionally means 50%. Not very often and seldom means 20%. Almost never means about 5%. And never means 0%. Examples of adverbs of frequency. Always. Everyone always speaks well of Mark. Usually. She usually feeds her cat sheep cat food. Generally. A sentence generally has a subject and a verb. Often. I used to often take walks along that road. Sometimes. Married people sometimes wish they were single. Occasionally. I occasionally eat meat. Seldom. My father seldom watches TV at night. Rarely. He rarely makes a mistake. Never. I never forget a face. Position in a sentence. Adverbs of frequency usually goes in these positions. First, before the main verb. Example, I often visit my parents. Second, after the verb be. Example, he is always late for college. Third, between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. Example, they are never ready for compromise. Fourth, before used to and have to. Examples, the fire brigade always has to be ready for emergencies. And we sometimes used to go for long drive. Now it's time to practice. Look at the picture and choose the correct adverb of frequency. My grandma slash watches TV in the afternoon. My grandma, that's correct, never watches TV in the afternoon. My brother slash brushes his teeth in the morning. My brother usually brushes his teeth in the morning. Very good. Lucy slash studies after school. Very good. Lucy always studies after school. She slash feeds the dog on Fridays. Very good. She sometimes feeds the dog on Friday. Amy and Peter slash read a book after dinner. That's correct. Amy and Peter sometimes read a book after dinner. They slash listen to rock music. Very good. They always listen to rock music.